Now, before I get into this video, I just want to emphasize quickly and give a quick disclaimer that everything I'm going to be talking about today shouldn't be taken as financial advice. All I'm going to be doing today is sharing my own personal opinion, my own experiences as to what I would personally do when it comes to starting a side hustle from scratch using an AI tool like DeepSeek. Treat this video as a form of entertainment or education, but my goal is that by the end of it, you're going to be enlightened on what you can do from day one to simplify the process. But let's not waste any more time. Let me jump straight into one of the first steps that I would recommend, that I would even take myself, which is that I would complete this side hustle quiz that you can see on the screen. So again, it's going to help simplify the process when it comes to making a decision on which side hustle is going to be the best one for you to do. So you're just going to go through a series of different questions and I'm just going to run through it fairly quickly. So the first question is going to be, what type of products do you prefer to sell? And by the way, you're going to be able to access this quiz by clicking the link in the description down below. It's completely free. It's going to ask you whether you want to sell physical products, things like gadgets, fashion products, home items, or if you rather sell digital products. In today's example, I'm just going to select this one and then click on next. How much time can you dedicate per week to building up this side hustle? I'm going to select this one and say that I want to make passive income. It's then going to ask you what type of digital product do you wish to sell, either spreadsheets, ebooks, or educational courses. I'm just going to select option C. It's then going to ask you if you have any knowledge in terms of the following niches, health and wellness, finance and investing, so on and so forth. The one that I'm going to pick is business and marketing. And finally, it's going to ask you, how do you want to sell your digital product? Either through your own website, a marketplace, or social media. Now, I'm going to select my own website because I've always found it valuable to build up a digital asset. Because by building up a website where you can sell a digital product, you're going to be able to sell other types of products and you're going to be able to monetize it in so many different ways. So I'm just going to select this one and then click on submit. Okay, perfect. So it's now come back with this prompt where all you're going to need to do is just copy all of it just like this. Don't worry, you don't need to spend too much time reading it. Of course you can, because it's going to give you some insight into, what information you're going to get back from DeepSeek. But the questions that you answered, it's automatically inserted it into this prompt. So with this prompt, you're now going to be able to get a detailed business plan and some other things, but I'm going to show you that right now. So we're going to come back to this page in a moment. Then what you're going to do is just head over to DeepSeek. You can find it at deepseek.com. Once you've created your account, just click on start now. Then all you need to do is just paste the prompt in here just like this, and also make sure that you select the Deep Think R1 option. What this is going to do is that it's going to tell DeepSeek to thoroughly analyze what you've inserted and give you a detailed response back. So I'm just going to leave it like this, and then I'm just going to click on submit. Okay, and there you go. As you can see, DeepSeek has already started analyzing the prompt, and within a few minutes, it should come back with a detailed business plan that you're now going to use when it comes to getting your side hustle set up in the best possible way. Okay, perfect. And just like that, I've now got a step-by-step business plan of what I need to focus on. Everything when it comes to the type of product that I'm going to sell, as well as the pricing strategy, the content strategy, all of the different names that I could choose from when it comes to this brand, what I need to know when it comes to building my website, creating my digital product. It's essentially come back with a full starter kit for any beginner out there that wants to be able to get this side hustle set up within a single day. And I want to quickly walk you through how to piece all of it together so that you can be in a position of being able to make money online. Now, one of the first things is that you just want to copy all the information it came back with just like this. Then come over to a Google document. I've already created one right here and I'm just going to paste it in here just like this. It's going to be a lot easier when it comes to clearly seeing all of the information as you can see on the screen. And this brings me on to one of the first things that I would do when it comes to getting the side hustle set up, which is to get my website built using AI. Now, as you can see over here, it's already given you the prompt that you're going to use when it comes to building a website. And by the way that you're going to build your site is going to be with Hostinger. I'm going to leave a direct sign up link to Hostinger in my description down below. You're going to be able to use it when it comes to listing your digital products for sale. So all you're going to need to do once you've clicked that link in my description is click on claim deal. Then make sure that you come over here to the business website builder. Now, the good thing about Hostinger is that it comes with so many different benefits. You're going to be able to build 100 different websites if you want. You're going to get a free email for 1 year. All of these different marketing integrations, 30-day money back guarantee. You're going to get all of these different AI tools, AI image generator, AI blog writer, so on and so forth. And you're also going to get a free domain as well. So just simply click on choose plan just like this. It's then going to take you to this page where it's going to ask you how long do you want to have the website for. If you select 48 months, it's going to come with all of the different benefits and all of the different bonuses and discounts. Or if you wanted to select 12 months, that's completely up to you. The longer that you get, the better it's going to be when it comes to it being cost effective. So if I just leave it on 48 months for now and then click on continue, it should then take you to the back end of your account where you're going to be able to now claim your domain. So again, it's going to be completely free. If I just click on claim domain just like this, and then I'm going to come back over to the Google document and come over here to this section. Now there's all of these different names that you can choose from. If you know whatever business name you want to choose, you could do that. You don't need to use one from this list, but I'm just going to use this one right here, Growth AI Academy. I'm just going to paste it in there just like this and check if it's available. Okay, perfect. It is available. And again, I don't have to spend a single penny and I'm going to be able to get it right now. And once you've claimed your domain, when it comes to actually building out your website that you're going to use when it comes to selling your digital products, and don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can make digital products in a moment using the power of AI. When you're on this page, all you need to do is insert the brand name for your business and then come back over to this Google document and then copy this section over here where it says website description. You're just going to simply paste it in there just like this. And then from there, just click on create a website. Okay, and there we go. As you can see, the website has now been built. Everything looks professional. Everything looks ready for me to start using it. You know, of course, I'm going to be using this site when it comes to selling all of my different digital products. And, you know, it looks really good. It looks well structured. It's got the page over here for the shop so I can start listing my digital products, as well as a blog section as well. This is fully customizable. You can make any changes to it. But once you've got your website up and running, one of the next things that you need to do is, of course, start the process of making your digital products. Now, this is also very easy to do because there's tools like this called Gamma that you're going to be able to use when it comes to building either ebooks or educational guides. So all you need to do is sign up for completely free. As always, I've got a trial link down below. Just click on sign up for free if you don't already have an account. And once you've done that, it's now going to take you over to this page where you're going to see create with AI. And the one that you want to click on is the middle one where it says generate. And when it comes to making an educational sellable guide, all you need to do is enter a simple prompt into this box. Now, if we just go back over to the Google Doc, you're going to be able to find the prompt that you can type in by using this one over here. Again, you don't have to use this prompt when it comes to making your educational digital product. You can use whatever prompt that you want, but the only reason why I'm using this one is because I've already double checked it on Google Trends. Basically, this is going to be an educational guide for business owners when it comes to helping them understand how they can use ChatGPT. For example, if I just go over to Google Trends just like this, I'm just going to type in the name of the educational product, which is going to be ChatGPT for business owners. I'm going to click on explore. And if I just set it to 2004 to present day, we're going to be able to instantly see that there is a massive amount of people that are going onto Google to search for information about this. So this could definitely be one of the first digital products that I can list on this website. So I'm just going to copy it just like this. Come back over to Gamma, paste it in there just like that. You don't necessarily need to add all the information. So I'm just going to remove all of this extra stuff. And I'm going to increase the length of this educational guide and then click on generate outline. And just like that, it's now giving me the detailed breakdown of this educational guide, you know, giving me all of the different units, the different modules. I can go through it, read it. You know, if I'm happy with it, I can leave it as it is. And from there, what I'm going to do is ensure that the content is detailed and then click on generate once again. Okay, perfect. And just like that, as you can see, it's already started the process of building out this educational guide. Now, the reason why I recommend using AI tools like Gamma when it comes to building digital products is because you don't have to sit here and think about how to structure things, think about what's going to go into it. Literally, you're just going to enter a simple prompt and it's going to be able to take care of the rest. I've sold thousands of dollars worth of educational guides like this on the internet in so many different ways that I don't even need to show my face on the internet, and I believe it's going to be beneficial for anyone out there that's looking to start a side hustle. Now, I do want to emphasize that when you do have your educational product, you want to read through it, make sure that you're happy with it, and you also want to make sure that you've ensured that the information is correct. There's no point selling something that's not going to be accurate. That's why it's very important to make sure that you pick a digital product that you've got some sort of common knowledge in, because it's going to be better when it comes to you marketing it, when it comes to you being able to communicate with your customers, and most importantly, when it comes to you ensuring that the information is accurate. But once you've gone through it, you're happy with it, you're happy with the color scheme, you're happy with all the information, all you need to do is simply export it by coming over here and exporting it as a PDF. You can then add more value to it, add some sort of a voiceover to it, do whatever you need to do when it comes to making your customers happy. But once you've done that, what you're then going to do is come back over to your hosting a website. And when it comes to listing it for sale, all you simply need to do is click on add a product. There's going to be some steps that goes into listing it for sale in the right way. And if you wanted me to make a detailed video showing you exactly how to do that, just put in the comments down below, do the digital product hosting a video, and I'll get onto it ASAP. But this now brings me on to one common question that I'm sure that you guys are asking right now in your head, which is, Sam, everything that you've shown us so far is amazing, building out a website, building a digital product using AI, but how exactly are we going to get customers to even come onto our website? Well, that's a good question. And if we just go back over to the business plan that we got from DeepSeek, there's so many different ways that you can do it. You can either write blog articles, Hosting has got a really good AI blog writer. You got all of the different titles right here. Or what you can do is produce short form videos and then publish them on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, and even YouTube Shorts for you to get traffic going onto your website so that you can turn your website into a passive income machine. Now, let me quickly show you exactly how this would be done. So let's assume that I wanted to use AI to make a short form video so that I can upload it to any one of these different platforms. I'm just going to come over here to the business plan and I'm just going to pick any one of these different prompts. So the prompt that I'm going to pick is going to be in line with the digital product that I'm selling. So I'm going to pick number 9. You can read it if you want. I'm just going to copy it just like this. Then what I'm going to do is just come over to InVideo AI. This is one of the best short form and long form AI video makers. As always, I've got a link down below. You can check it out. And what you're going to do once you've created your account is just come over here to where it says create short form video. Select which platform that you're going to be uploading to. I'm just going to select Instagram Reels in this case, and I'm just going to paste the prompt in here just like this. Okay, great. So it's been able to structure the prompt for me based on what I entered. And all I'm literally going to do from here is just click on generate a video. And just like that, within a couple minutes or so, InVideo AI was able to come back with a fully edited video. Now, what I'm going to do is just play it as always, just so that you get an idea of what type of videos you're going to go in and make to upload to all of these different short form platforms for you to build up traffic to your website and your digital products.
Want to know the secret weapon of top performing businesses? Secret Chat GPT prompts that can 10x your sales. Generate killer pitches, handle any objection, nurture leads effortlessly. These aren't your average AI hacks. They're the hidden gems that separate the winners from the rest. Our full article reveals 10 game-changing prompts that will revolutionize your business. Don't let your competition beat you to it. Read the full article now. Link in bio.
So there you go. As you just saw, it was able to come back with that fully edited video. I didn't need to do anything besides the prompt that you saw me enter. And the reason why this is powerful is because I'm going to be able to do that over and over again, produce endless amounts of short form videos, upload them consistently on all of these different platforms. And then from there, I'm going to be able to now link my website in the bio of these different platforms, build up traffic, and just use it as one of the traffic methods amongst all of the other ones. So this is definitely a great way for you to bring awareness to the products that you're selling as a complete beginner. And don't forget, the way that I was able to get this business plan and essentially build up an online business that I can start making money from straight away was with the help of DeepSeek. Now, of course, I'm not saying that things are going to happen overnight, that you're going to start generating tens of thousands of dollars every single day. There's going to be a level of consistency that you need, a level of hard work. My main aim with my channel is to give you guys the tools and the information that you need when it comes to going away, taking action, and making things happen for yourself. All I know is that if I had tools like this when I first got started, things would have been so much easier. I would have been able to save so much much time, energy, and money. So that's the main reason why I'm sharing it with you guys. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, you've learned anything whatsoever, don't forget to press the like button and subscribe. Hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know when new videos have been released. And if you also want to get a little bit more information on how you can get started with a side hustle in a little bit more detail, I've got a completely free online business crash course where for 5 days, I'm going to send an email personally into your inbox, giving you the necessary information that you need when it comes to getting a side hustle off the ground. Just click the top link in the description down below to check that out. And if you also wanted to watch a recent YouTube video that I made not too long ago, where I show you guys one of the newest AI tools that's helping out various different internet-based business owners make money online more efficiently, you're going to be able to check that video out by clicking the link over there. Watch that straight after this because that video has already helped out so many people. I get messages all the time because of it in my DMs ever since I released it, so I'm sure that you guys are going to be able to benefit from it too. But other than that, guys, I'm wishing you luck on your money making journey. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.